With any electronics, trying to put this lanyard on can be very difficult and challenging. You can use a paper clip with a little bit of a hook on it to help you out with this. A little bit of a hook, I mean like maybe a couple millimeters. Flatten out your lanyard as much as you can. If you can get a little curl on it, that actually helps. Feed it in. All right, now I'm going to come in here on the other side and see if I can snag the thing. That hook can't be too big, otherwise it'll get stuck in here, and you might see that I've got a little bit of scraping where I tried a different tool with a more aggressive hook on it and it didn't work. So just keep feeding it in there, and eventually you'll be able to pull it out of the other side. And if for some reason the hook's not working for you, just straighten out the other end of the paper clip and just use it straight on. Come on, there we go. Once you have it out the other end, then it's easy peasy. Open up the loop and then just run the lanyard all the way through and cinch it down. And as long as that doesn't break or get cut, you'll never have to do that again, unless you take it off.